Hello guys!
What's up mga kamgay?
Okay, so today in this video, turuan namin kayo or we'll just go through dito sa, what do you call that? Connecting your device sa Bluetooth ng ating Nanobox. So, apparently si Nanobox, like most of the time, we need to set the Bluetooth connection with our device, especially for us na we're using Spotify sa aming music while we're driving around kahit saan. So for this, ito yung prompt ng dash, what do you call this?
Info system.
Ito yung prompt ng info system ni Nanobox every time siya i-turn on, like i-start yung kanyang makina or what do you call that, engine. So ito no, the first thing you do is to press the home. Press the home button, and then
you go to phone.
Go to phone, itong Bluetooth na blue. This one. Wait na, medyo. So, we're going to connect the device.
Search.
Actually, ando na yung kanina. Yung LGM.
No, because nag-change man tag phone.
Okay. So, we change search list here. Wait na. Yan.
So, disconnect.
Sorry for the English stuff.
For the
Kuruk. So we press disconnect and now
let's wait.
Let's wait. Come on guys. Oppo nga yun. Oppo man yun.
No.
Oppo yun.
What's my phone? That one?
Oo, Oppo. Click mo si Oppo. Wait naka-off pala yung phone namin. Naka-off ang Bluetooth.
So, search again. There. Ana is sleeping. Tulog.
It's not Ana.
Not one. Ana. Press Aan. Press.
Oppo F11. So, ayan. Connected na tayo sa device.
Next is go back to home. Home along the relays. Go
and
to
then,
this one, the music sign.
Yan, sa taas. Upper left.
After that, you press the Spotify.
You turn on the Spotify. So, ayan. Na-detect na niya yung Spotify. So, that's
press
it,
the
guys.
volume.
So, we'll not press the volume kasi ma-copyright na naman ang aming video.
Copyright.
So, that's it, guys. It's quite like medyo siya, like every time mo siya sinisets, but that's the way it is with Nanobox. So, yun lang po. Thank you.